electric charge and electric field. So before discussing the electric charge and electric field, we will have to know actually what is the charge. Okay, what is the charge? Now, first and foremost, the concept of the charge is what is charge? The definition of charge is exactly the physical entity of any object. The charge is defined by the physical entity of any object. Okay, do you understand what I am saying? যদি তোমাদের ইংলিশে লেকচার বুঝতে কষ্ট হয় বলবো হাতে হাতে ডাইরেক্ট কোনো সমস্যা নেই বুঝা হচ্ছে প্রথম ফ্যাক্ট তারপর হচ্ছে ওকে charge is actually physical entity of any object. So what does it mean, the physical entity of any object? So since it's a physical identity of any object, it defines the object is positive or negative. You have already know about the proton, electron, you have heard the name.
Yes.
And proton is positive charge, electron is negative charge,
Yes.
right? Okay. Now I'm just giving this example. Suppose an object, is spherical object. Okay. So suppose it's a neutral object. So, neutral object. So what does it mean, the neutral object? Neutral object means the electron number and proton number is equal, totally equal. So when these two quantities are equal, then the object is totally neutral, and you will have no getting scared about that getting the shock. Okay, so when you will touch the object, so because the object is totally neutral. But if the object is, suppose there are more positive charge in comparison with electron, then the object is positive. If the electron number is greater than the proton number, then the object is negative. Depends. Okay, that means the charge will dominate. Which charge dominates? It depends on the number. If electron is more than proton number, then or negative charge is greater than the positive number, then the object is totally negative. And if the positive charge number is greater than the negative charge number, then the object is negative. Okay. For example, suppose you have 500 positive charge, 500 positive charge, and you have 490 negative charge. If I ask you the question, is it positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. How can you describe this positive?
Positive is greater than negative charge.
Exactly. How much is greater?
10.
Exactly. Because 490 negative charge will totally vanish by the 490 positive charge. Okay. Extra charge, remaining positive charge will be 10 positive charge. Okay. So these 10 positive charge will dominate on this object, and they will define, yes, the object is positive. Even not only 490, if it's 499, the object will also be positive, because there is only one positive charge remaining on this object. Therefore, the object will be positive object. Okay. If it's 500, and now just replace this number by 501 negative charge, then what will be the answer?
The object is
Totally
negative.
negative. So it doesn't matter. We need a high much quantity. If it dominates by only one negative charge, the object will be negative. Or if it's a only one positive charge, the object will be positive. Okay. So this is the definition of actually charge. So in conclusion, we can tell that there are two types of charge. Number one, positive charge. Number two, negative charge. Right? So in this world, only two types of charge exist. One positive, another is negative. Without these two, there is nothing new. Write down some point if you feel it's important. Okay? Because it will help you in your exam, in your midterm exam. I'm totally pretty much sure that if you follow my lecture, you will get a good grade, even you will get the A+. Okay. The rest of the thing, just put your effort, some effort, little bit effort in this course. I will assure you that you will get a good grade. What is Coulomb law? Coulomb law is actually associated with the force. Okay. In physics 1, you have already know the force. So, what is actually force? Can you tell me what is actually force? Do you know what is force? Every day you are already applied. Day is every day, every moment you are applied. Even if you push this object from one object from another, it's a force. Every day. So it's a kind of force. The force actually, in this case, we will discuss electrostatic force, because charge is we are dealing with charge. Okay, so charge will experience a force, right? So Coulomb's law associate with this force. Okay, electrostatic force. It describes electrostatic. The law stating that like charges repel and opposite charges attract with the force proportional to the product of the charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Maybe it's a little bit difficult language for you. Maybe. Now I am going to describe it easy way. First, line value. The law is stating that like charge. Like charge means same charge. Okay? So same charge means positive or negative, like charge. And opposite charge.
Plus positive, negative.
Plus minus. So this is the opposite charge. This can be
Like
line charge. Plus minus. Or plus minus is opposite charge. Okay. So the law is stating that the like charge repel. Definitely in a magnetic system, when two poles, sometimes you just try to attach it to another. Sometimes you just get the experience that the two magnets are just moving from each other, separate, go away from one another. Actually, it's a repel. But in sometimes you just see that the one magnet is totally attracted with another. It's an attract. So when someone or some substance will just attach it with you, it's attractive. When someone or some substance will just go from you, it's a repulsive. Suppose you are two friends, very close. Some behavior or some characteristics just attract you. That's why you are good friends. You both are good friends. In other case, suppose you don't like him, and he also don't like you. Since he doesn't like you, in some cases, whenever he will see you, then he will just try to escape with you. Just move away. I don't like it. So this is actually repel. So in this case, opposite charges totally attract, and same charge repel. Okay. So since we have already dealing with attract and repel, then the next term is the product of the charges and inversely proportional to this surface. If there are two charges, it's negative, then there will be force, and this force actually proportional. F. Suppose if we define force by F, then actually F proportional to, if you denote this positive charge by Qy, okay, and negative charge denoted by Q2. Product means gunfal. Okay. Like Q1 into Q2. This is the product proportionality sign means this is the proportional sign. The force is proportional to the product of two charges. Next slide. And inversely proportional. Inverse means opposite. That means suppose just like a parameter. Suppose A. What is the inverse of A?
1 by
Right? Inversely square of the distance. That means suppose A is a distance. Suppose square of the A is equal A square, right? Opposite inverse means
1 by a
1
square.
by A square, right? So if we consider the distance between these two charges is r, distance between these two charges is r, then F also proportional, inversely proportional 1 by r square, right? This is F, this is also F. From these two equations, we get F proportional to U1 into R square. Okay, love the expression. Now we just want to vanish, or we just try to move out this proportionality sign. So if we want to just move a proportionality sign, we will have to put a constant, right? You know, so if in physics or any chemistry, in anywhere in the branch, if you want to replace any proportionality sign, you will have to put a constant. So in this case, it's an experimental proof that proportional F equals 1 by 4 pi
R is
epsilon naught into U1 U2 by R square. Okay, this is the Coulomb's law or electrostatic force. লেখে নাও Coulomb's law আর electrostatic force law কথাটা এক। পরীক্ষার হলে যদি কোশ্চেনে কেউ যদি বলে যে electrostatic force law লেখো, this and Coulomb's law same meaning। কোন জায়গায় কি আমি এখনো কোথাও বলছি বা এরকম কোথাও লিখছি যে এই চার্জটা এখান থেকে সরে যাচ্ছে, বলছি কোথাও?
no.
একটা বলছেন নেগেটিভ আর পজিটিভ কখনো একই সাথে আসতে পারে না, তখন
নেগেটিভ আর পজিটিভ একই সাথে আসে। নেগেটিভ আর পজিটিভ
আকর্ষণ
আকর্ষণ
অ্যাটাক করে
But আমি
সেম চার্জ
আমি
ডিটাচ
আমি বলছি যে নেগেটিভ পজিটিভ অ্যাট্রাক্ট করে, বাট আমি কিন্তু কোথাও বলি নাই যে এ এখান থেকে সরে এখানে চলে যাচ্ছে। আমি জাস্ট একটা এক্সাম্পল দিছি, মানে এক্সাম্পলটা মানে তোমাদের বাস্তব জীবনের সাথে এখানে কাহিনীটা মিলে দিছি। সাপোজ আমি যদি বি ফ্র্যাঙ্ক, ডোন্ট মাইন্ড, সাপোজ maybe you can love with a girl, opposite gender, right?
ইয়েস
Same gender, it's unvalid. Just keep it up. I have write down some constants, right? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. 4 is a constant. Pi is also a constant. Epsilon naught is also a constant. But this epsilon naught depends on medium. Depends on medium because when you are belonging in an air medium, the epsilon naught will give the value of air medium. When you will belonging in any other medium, just like in water or in glycerin, in any other medium, just like vacuum, okay. So the value of epsilon naught is totally different from medium to medium. Normally, we just consider we are going for a vacuum medium. Vacuum medium means shunno matra. If anyone asks you what is the vacuum medium, your answer should be the vacuum medium is one where pressure is 0. Vacuum medium means pressure
Pressure is
is 0. You will feel not any pressure in vacuum medium, but in air, this is a air medium. Constantly you are facing some force, some pressure of air. Okay, so in vacuum medium you will not get any force, any pressure. So this is epsilon. It's called permittivity constant. It's called permittivity constant, and it has a unit. What is the unit? The unit is Newton meter square per coulomb. Newton meter square per coulomb. This is the unit of permittivity constant. This is the permittivity of constant. Okay? So in vacuum, what is the value of permittivity constant? The value of the permittivity constant is 8.854 into 10 to the power minus 12 plus Newton square per. This is the unit and this is the magnitude or value of permittivity constant. Okay? Clear?
Yes.
Any question? Please feel free. I am very much friendly with my students. If you have any questions, any doubt, ask me. Question? Don't feel shy. If you feel shy, the loss will be yours, not mine.
স্যার নিচেরটা কি বললেন ওইটা ওর মান কি?
এই কনস্ট্যান্টের একটা মান আছে,
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
এই হচ্ছে সে মান। ঠিক আছে? এই কনস্ট্যান্টটা মান আছে, এই মানটা হচ্ছে এত। যেমন তোমরা বলছো না যে লাইটের আলোর বেগের একটা মান আছে, এরকম বলছো না, ওটা একটা কনস্ট্যান্ট, একটা মানে একটা পার্টিকুলার মান। এটা হচ্ছে একটা কনস্ট্যান্ট। এই কনস্ট্যান্টের নাম হচ্ছে পারমিটিভিটি কনস্ট্যান্ট। যদি আরেকটু ডিপে যাও, পারমিটিভিটি কনস্ট্যান্টটা, এটা আমরা পারমিটিভিটি কনস্ট্যান্ট আমি তোমাদের বলবো নেক্সট টপিকে, ইলেকট্রিক ক্লাসে যখন বসেস লো পড়াবো তখন আমি তোমাদের
দিতে ভালো হয়।
This is
Okay.
Coulomb's law, right? We have already discussed. This is Coulomb's law or electrostatic force law between two static charges. This force between two
Static.
static charges. Okay. Now, this force depends or independence some parameters. Now, we will actually know the force actually depends on which type of parameters. Now, for two charged particles, the Coulomb's force depends on some parameters. Depending on the medium, what I have told you, the permittivity constant varies from medium to medium, right?
Yes.
Medium to medium. This is the equation, right? If the value of permittivity constant changes, then definitely you will get different result, right?
Yes.
That means force will be changed, right?
Yes.
Same distance, same charge, but suppose these two charges belong in air medium. Now you just replace these two charges in air water medium.
Object sense below sense.
Charge same, distance same. মানে তোমরা দুজন বসে আছো, তোমাদের দুজনের মাঝখানে যতটুকু গ্যাপ আছে, এই একই গ্যাপ রেখে আমি তোমাদেরকে এয়ার মিডিয়ামে রাখছি। এবার এয়ার মিডিয়াম থেকে আমি তোমাদেরকে উঠে পানির নিচে রাখবো, মনে করো সাপোজ, ডোন্ট মাইন্ড, পানির নিচে রাখবো। তোমাদের মানে এই যে ফোর্সের যে ভেরিয়েশন হবে, এটা হচ্ছে ওই যে বললাম মিডিয়ামের ভিতরে কি পারমিটিভিটি কনস্ট্যান্টের চেঞ্জ হয়। এটা হচ্ছে শুধুমাত্র শূন্য মাধ্যমের জন্য, যে ভ্যালুটা আমরা লিখলাম ওটা হচ্ছে শূন্য মাধ্যমের জন্য। বাট আমরা তো শূন্য মাধ্যমে রিয়েল লাইফে আমরা কোথায় যাবো? এয়ার মিডিয়ামে। ঠিক আছে, ওই জন্য বললাম তাহলে ইলেকট্রিক ফোর্সটা ডিপেন্ড করবে কি দুইটা চার্জের ভিতরে যে ইলেকট্রোস্ট্যাটিক ফোর্সটা ডিপেন্ডস অন the medium. Number two, product of the two charges. In this equation, definitely you can see the product, right? Q1 into Q2. So definitely the product of the two charges. Now, third point, distance between two charges. Right? Distance between two charges. Suppose you two are same. Now, I am just changing the distance. In air medium, suppose the separation between both of you is suppose 10 meter. So there will be definitely 10 square, that means 100.
100.
Now I just totally just congested the distance. Okay. Now it just become a 5 meter.
25.
Then 25. Okay. Now you will give the answer. 1 by 100 greater or 1 by 25 greater? Which one is larger?
1 by 25.
1 by 25 larger. তুমি কি বুঝতে পারছো এটা এটা লার্জার কিনা? 1 by 25 আর 1 by 100 এর মধ্যে পার্থক্য কি বুঝো? বলো, তুমি বলো। 1 by 100, হ্যাঁ,
ওইটা হচ্ছে 25 ভাগের 1 ভাগ আর এটা হচ্ছে 100 ভাগের 1 ভাগ।
এটা কি বললাম? 25 ভাগের,
ওইটা 25 ভাগের 1 ভাগ আর এটা 100 ভাগের
এটা বলছে। এটা হলো 1 এর 100 ভাগ,
সরি,
এটা হলো 1 এর 25 ভাগ।
হ্যাঁ,
একটা খাবারকে 4 টুকরা করছো আর আরেকটা একই খাবারকে দুই, মনে করো পিজা খেতে গেছো তোমরা, এখন পিজা খেতে গিয়ে 6 পিস স্লাইস করছো। এখন মনে করো এখানে তোমরা 5 জন বিশেষ টেস্ট ধরো 5 পিস করছো, 5 পিস প্রত্যেকজন 5 পিস করে। এখন তোমাদের সামনে আরো দুই ফ্রেন্ড খেতে গেছে, সেম সাইজ 12 ইঞ্চির একটা পিজা দিচ্ছে, ভাগ করছে, তোমরাও 12 ইঞ্চি ভাগ করছো, 5টা টুকরা করে খাইছো তোমরা, এক একজন একটা একটা করে টুকরা খাইছো। ওরা একটা টুকরা খাইছে কিন্তু ওরা কি খেয়েছে? ওরা এমনি করে অর্ধেক পিজাটাকে মুখে দিয়ে খেয়েছে, রাইট? ওকে, ডোন্ট গেট গ্রিডি। তাই এইভাবে খাচ্ছ, তাহলে কোন পোর্শনটা বড় হলো? 1 by 25 ডেফিনেটলি। তার মানে এটা কি? এটা এককে আমি 25 ভাগ করছি, জি, আর এটা হচ্ছে এককে 100 ভাগ করছি।
হ্যাঁ।
তাহলে সেপারেশন ডিসটেন্স যত আমি কমাচ্ছি ফোর্সের মান কত হবে? বাড়বে। আর সেপারেশনের মান যখন বাড়াবো তখন ফোর্সের মান কমবে,
Decrease.
সেম চার্জের জন্য। আবার দেখা গেছে সেপারেশনের মান ফিক্সড রাখছে কিন্তু চার্জের গুণফল দুইটা বড় করে দিছে। মানে মনে করো এইটার ভ্যালু হচ্ছে, মনে করো এদের দুইজনের মাঝখানে ডিসটেন্স হচ্ছে, মনে করো এই যে মনে করো 10 স্কয়ার, তো মনে করো 100। এখন মনে করো এইটার মান হচ্ছে 3 আর এটার মান হচ্ছে কত? 4। এখন প্রোডাক্ট অফ দ্য চার্জ 3 into 4 what? 3 into 4 12,
12.
right? Now suppose just change the value of charge, 4 into 4 and 5, what will be the result? 20.
20.
Same distance, keeping the same distance, you just change the value of two charges, so force will be changed. Therefore